Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Megha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all how I damaged my skin and how I repaired my skin barrier. And this happened just a few days ago. This is how my skin looked like, and this is how my skin looks right now. So as you can see in these pictures, my skin is red. It's very irritated. I had tiny little bumps all over my cheeks, chin and my forehead, and it was constantly burning. So I knew that my skin barrier is damaged totally. So let me quickly tell you how this happens. So I used this hyaluronic acid serum, which did not of course suit my skin. Mind you, hyaluronic acid, as you know, is very barrier friendly and it's very hydrating on the skin, but still I got reacted to that product. Skin was really doing bad. Even though I have patch tested the product behind my ears, chin, sides of my face, still after using it on my whole face, it started reacting badly. And I immediately washed my face, but it did not calm down. So let me now tell you how I healed my damaged skin barrier as a doctor. What are the products which I have used? What you can also do if you have a damaged skin barrier. Before we jump into the morning and nighttime skincare routine, please hear this. Damaged skin is temporary, it's not permanent. You're going to get through this, so don't worry about it at all. Stop checking your mirror. It will heal, it will take some time, but your skin will be back to normal. So don't stress yourself, you're going to be fine. So let's get started with the morning routine. As I have already mentioned, I have dry and sensitive skin. I just washed my face with plain water, nothing other than that. No face wash, no cleanser, nothing. After I washed my face, I gently pat dried my skin. Later, I used a thick layer of moisturizer, which I've used is Bioderma's Atoderm cream. So this moisturizer is a savior. I applied a thick layer of this moisturizer. After using this moisturizer, I applied a little bit of Vaseline petroleum jelly, and only on the dry areas of my skin and not all over your face. So this was just the two-step routine which I followed. I did not even apply sunscreen in the morning as my skin was already irritated and as I didn't step out of my house in the daytime. So that was all about my morning skincare routine. Simple. Washing my face with plain water, applying this moisturizer on top and applying a rice grain amount of Vaseline petroleum jelly only wherever my skin was very irritated and was feeling dry and itchy. So that was it. Nothing other than that. I left my skin as it is. And in the daytime, whenever my skin used to feel itchy or dry, I used to take a little amount of moisturizer and again dab it on my skin so that my skin felt calm. So that was all about my morning skincare routine. So let's jump into the nighttime skincare routine now. So for nighttime skincare routine, wash my face with this gentle cleanser. Later, I used the same moisturizer on my whole face and on my neck. And later, wherever my skin was feeling very dry and itchy, I applied 2 to 3 drops of this Squalane Oil from Minimalist, only wherever my skin was feeling extremely dry and not on my whole face. Okay, so that's about it. So that was my morning skincare routine and nighttime skincare routine. Okay, so this was day 1. This picture was from day 2, day 3, 4, 5, and on day 5 my skin was doing perfectly all right. There was no itching, no burning whatsoever. My skin was back to normal. So these were the products which I have used in my morning skincare routine and nighttime skincare routine. So before I conclude this video, so let me tell you some important points which you have to keep in your mind if you have damaged skin barrier. First, as I've already mentioned, don't keep checking your mirror, don't keep panicking. It's gonna be fine. Damaged skin is temporary, it's gonna be fine. Second thing is, don't apply any makeup for 2 to 3 days. If you apply anything on your face, your skin is going to react and it's gonna get worse. So don't try using any new products. Apply your products in a dabbing motion and do not rub your skin. It will get more irritated. So treat your skin gently, okay? And the third point is, do not try new products thinking that it will heal your damaged skin sooner. So don't try new products on your skin. Let your skin take some time. Just use 3-step routine: cleanser, moisturizer and a sunscreen. That's more than enough. That's what your skin needs right now. No new products are going to make your skin heal faster. So keep this in your head. Number 5 is going to be, do not wash your face multiple times in a day thinking that it would calm your skin down. It will strip out natural oils from your skin and it will irritate your skin more. So twice in a day is more than enough. And if your skin is feeling very red, irritated and inflamed, what you can do is take an ice cube, keep it in the cloth, and then just press the ice cube onto your face 1 to 2 in a day if your skin is tolerating it. These are the steps which I have followed. These steps might also help you if you have damaged your skin barrier. Trust me, your skin barrier is going to be fine. Just give it 1 or 2 weeks. Your skin is going to be back to normal. So don't worry, don't panic at all. And that's about it for this video. If this video helped you in any way, you know what to do. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.